Hello, my name is EvaLyn Flores. I am the Early Literacy Outreach Specialist at Laramie County Library Systems. I help to bring early literacy to children 0 to 4 and do home visits. Every child in there gets a book, so that's really fun, and so that's why summer reading is so exciting for me. I get to encourage my families in the First Steps program to read along with everyone else in Laramie County, so it makes things super exciting for me. This year's summer reading is Imagine Your Story, and I would encourage you to come by and visit, put your books on hold and check out as many books as you want and visit our curbside delivery for you to be able to pick up some books and encourage your kiddos to get up on our webpage and choose the books that they would enjoy to do their challenge with. Also would like to say that you do not need a library card to dive into this challenge. It's very exciting that you can participate no matter what. If you do not have internet connection, you can also call us and we will help you get all the credit for all of the hard work and reading that you are doing. Again, I just want to encourage you to stop by the library and enjoy summer reading and imagine your story.